Alright everyone, per a previous video, I completed the coffee table, which is right here. That's the final product of it. Did a whole tutorial on that one as to how I did it. Pretty self-explanatory. I mean, you can pretty much see it's a 2x4 frame, top and bottom. The legs built also, but then what I do is I just lapped around in the shape of an L on all four corners with fence boards. Pound the top and the lower shelving with fence boards that are all stained dark walnut with high gloss white paint for all of the 2x4s. I carried over that same process with the end tables. One of them's over there, one's behind this chair you can't quite see. Now you really can't see it. So here we go. So here's a better look at what one of the end tables looks like. And I mean, the same exact concept, I just changed the dimensions. Now you may be wondering, why is this such a massive coffee table? End table. The reason why is because I figured whatever goes over here is basically gonna fill up this whole area for the most part. But I still wanted to have access back here to be able to plug stuff in. I didn't want to go all the way to the wall and then can't get to it. But then also at the same time, if there is any kind of shift or movement, I still want to be able to kind of move this around. If I want to bring this back a little bit, I can, whichever. I'll see from there. Now the exact same dimension of this one is the exact same dimension as that one over there. Just pretend that you can see what that one looks like. They look identical. Now the other thing is that you'll see how I actually made this a little bit higher than the chairs, and the reason why I did that is so that whenever you go to put something on it, you can actually see where you're putting it. Now the other idea is that what I may do is I may drill a hole through the top, and that will allow a charger, like an iPhone charger, to actually come up from the bottom, come up, and then I'll mount something there that will keep the charger in place. That way if someone comes over, boom, there you go, there's your phone charger. And that will literally just be drilling a hole through it, build something to actually hold on to the iPhone charger so it stays in that place, and then it will just have the charger plugged in at all times. I may do one over here and